Hi everybody, thanks for pressing play on the video today. It's Caroline here from craftycarolinecreates.com. Today we are going to make this beautiful little project, which is a little cute gift holder. I have a bone folder in here, but they would work really well for nail files as well if you're looking for a craft fair idea or a little gift, but bone folders work really well as well. These were part of a thank you gift to my customers a few months ago actually. I've just not got around to doing a video on it. Decoration was a little bit different that those ladies received, but I thought I would mix it up a little bit for us today. These are the 2016 to 2018 in colour, so these are going to be leaving us very soon. So I am making the most of using these colours before they do disappear in June. So we've got Dapper Denim, Peekaboo Peach, Flirty Flamingo and Emerald Envy. So obviously Sweet Sugar Plum is missing. So should I show you how I made it using Sweet Sugar Plum? So I've got a strip of cardstock. This measures 10.5 inches by 1 3/4 inch. And then I've got my matching Sweet Sugar Plum ink. And as I said, we're going to do some tone on tone stamping. And we're going to use Cake Soiree. Now Cake Soiree is actually a 2-part stamp set, so you get 2 boxes when you buy this set, and we are going to use this beautiful big sort of cabbage rose, I think it's a cabbage rose, today. So I've already mounted that up, and we're just going to do randomly all over our cardstock with this beautiful rose. And you've seen me do this so many times before, but you know, it just makes that little bit of cardstock that little bit prettier. Very simple to do. There we go. I'm going to flip that over and I'm going to do the other side. You don't need to do completely both sides, but I think it's just as quick while you're doing it, rather than measuring how far you need to do on both sides, just to quickly do both sides. And my ink needs re-inking actually, which reminds me, if you do love these ink colours, do stock up now, because as we get towards June things will start to sell out because people do love these colours. So if you need cardstock or re-inkers or something, do get in quick. I'm just going to use my scorer, my trimmer, to do a tiny little bit of scoring because I have it to hand. And we're just going to do one score at 4 inches. So I'm just going to use the lighter grey tool on my trimmer. This one is for cutting. I'm going to push that right out of the way. And then this one we can just use to score. So if you're starting off crafting and you haven't got a Simply Scored yet, you can score with your trimmer. I used to use my trimmer pretty much exclusively for all of my scoring before I got the Simply Scored. If you watch some of my really old videos, you will see that is pretty much all I used. Okay, so all I've done is just folded and burnished that score line. Now I'm going to bring in my envelope punch board, because as well as being a great tool for making envelopes, it also gives us this gorgeous little notch. Sorry about the lighting, I'm having to film in the evening and the lighting is not the best. And what we're going to do is the fold, where we have our fold here, we're going to line that up to the big 3 along here. And then we're just going to push. I'm going to flip it over, so I've still got my fold up against the 3, but there's the notch, so I'm now punching on the other side. Okay. And then what I can also do with my envelope punch board, if I twist it round and insert the card in this way, I can round that corner. Clever, eh? Clever. Yeah, very versatile tool, not just for envelope at all. You can see how quick and easily this is coming together. I have some ribbon. This is the matching Sweet Sugar Plum striped gross grade ribbon. I want to call it the candy stripe ribbon because that's what it reminds me of. And of course this comes, as you saw, this ribbon comes in all of the ink colours. So I'm just going to wrap this round. I'm going to do this before I put my bone folder in and before you put your nail file in, and this will just make it nice and tight. It will make sure your bone folder stays in quite nicely. You see, it doesn't fall out, which is useful if you're posting it or when you're packing them or however you're carrying them. So tie it, that's a tip, tie it first, and you'll help to keep your bone folder or your nail file, or whatever you're putting in here, nice and tight. So I'm just going to trim off those tails. So that was just a flat knot. You know I'm not very good at bows, but a bow would look good. So we can slip in our bone folder. I have another one here. There we go. So you see how that just slides in, and because we tied it first, it doesn't slide out. And just a little bit to finish off with the sentiment, I need a scrap of Whisper White cardstock, which seems to have vanished. So this will be big enough. Another sentiment from the Cake Soiree set, this one just for you. I really like this font on this stamp set. A little bit more Sweet Sugar Plum ink again. I'm just going to stamp that sentiment down for you. I'm going to use my 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and I'm just going to stamp that out, punch that out even. Okay, and then just to finish it off, got my cabbage rose again, and I'm just going to stamp just above and just below the sentiment, just so it ties in to the tone on tone stamping we did. And then I'm going to finish it off with a dimensional. Oh, my last dimensional on that pack. One is enough. The centre, and that's going to go then in the middle, something like that. And there we go. Very quick and simple, but a really lovely, idea, I think. I know they did go down very well with everybody that received them. So thank you for watching. Of course, if I can help with any Stampin' Up questions, or if you would like to buy any products, you can head over to craftycarolinecreates.com and you can shop direct from there, or you can get in touch, and it would be an absolute pleasure to help. See you soon. Bye bye.